Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Stay tuned for a Stampin' Up haul. Hey y'all, welcome back. I have just a small Stampin' Up haul for you, and just a few things I wanted to share with you. I've already opened it, get everything out. We are still in celebration for, let's see, well, let's see, as I'm doing this video, it's Wednesday morning, so we'll count Wednesday. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more days till the 30th, so got 9 more days if you're wanting to get anything while celebration is going on. I'm going to show you here what I've got. This is called Festive and Bright. This is from the holiday catalog, and this, you can get this as a bundle. And got this for, I've been meaning to actually show this. I've had it for a little while. But this is a really cute little stamp set, and it has different little holidays, as you can see. Your fall, your Halloween, and your Christmas stamps here. And then it says blessed, festive and bright, spooky, greetings to, from, and then a little spider. So those are really cute. And then of course it has dies, and look at these dies here that go with it. We've been in celebration for 2 months now. Nope, I can't get this out, goodness gracious. Now, they used to just have celebration once a year, and this year they decided to do 2. So I'm real happy they did. So here are the dies. Look how cute these are. Oh, the fun things you can make with these. So the neat thing about these dies are, well, you know what? I should get the catalog and show you. I think it'd be easier. I can try to explain it. Okay, here it is. These dies will cut out, like you can cut out a card right here in the shape, like just the border or the, I don't know why I'm having a hard time explaining this, but if you can see how that's shaped right there on that card, so you can cut the card in that shape. So you just use one of the dies, so that's why they're cut like that. Let's see, or you can use both the dies and it will cut them out like that. So that's really neat. A whole lot of things you can do with all these dies. Let's see if they have any more examples. I think they do. I think it's back in here. I saw it. Oh, yeah, the Halloween one they just show that one. But yeah, a lot to do because they've got all these extra, so like you've got like a tag here, and you've got this, and then you've got all these extra little elements. I love the light bulbs. Those light bulbs and the apple. Oh, that's so cute. And you've got these little leaves here. So just so much you can do. There's a little ghost for Halloween, the Halloween. So much you can do. So I'm excited to have that. First I wasn't sure if I was going to want that. And then when I saw how many dies you get with it, and all the things you can do, just the dies, yeah, that was a definitely keeper right there. So we're going to be having a class this weekend in my group. So I'm excited to see what we're going to be doing in the class. And then of course, I had to get me some shimmer crystal effects because I've been wanting to get some and I haven't gotten any yet. I want to get those. So I got that, of course. And then for spending over $50, I got some of this glitter paper. Let's see. Oh yeah, isn't this nice? This really has a neat feel to it. Oh wow. Nifty. And you see how sparkly that is? Oh, I can't wait to use this on a project. Neat. And it's really thick too. Go, that's what I got. So yeah, if you get the chance and you spend $50, you might want to try this paper out. So that's really neat. So that's my haul. That's what I got, and I thank y'all for watching. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. Please share. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.